what does your browser do? So your browser collects information and its job is to display it. Now, when it collects information, it's actually just asking a server, hey, can I have some information? The server says, yep, you can have this information, sends the files. Your computer then downloads them, or your browser will download them, piece them all together in a nice way, and kickstart all the code. And that sort of creates your nice interactive website. Not all browsers are the same. That should actually say not now. Not all browsers are the same. So what works on one browser may not necessarily work on another browser. So if you ever stumble on a website that seems broken in, let's say, Google Chrome, try opening it in Firefox, or vice versa, or Apple Safari or Microsoft Edge. Just try it in another browser, because sometimes the rendering engines behind the scenes don't work the exact same. They're supposed to, but they don't always. Your browser's job is also to communicate. It's responsible for the communication/transactions between your computer and the website. And again, it's like picking up the phone and dialing your best friend. You need to wait for them to actually answer the phone and say hello, and then you can start a conversation.